May 17, ladies and gentlemen. This is at the northwest corner of the property. Our property is about right there, that corner. But check this out. It's impassable. It's impossible to impassable. Check this out. Usually it's totally bone dry. Kind of like in the out west in the canyons, the flats. You see all this water just rushing in the desert. Look at that, piling up over here too, ripping down. Pretty crazy, eh? Look at all the leaves, guys. It's like it's summer. Cats followed us over here, both of them. These patches and moldy. Babbling brooks. Yeah, like I said, it's usually bone dry in here. But when you get a long rain, drenching rain, everybody's properties drain through this area. And further down the road, it's totally running. Gotta get this log out of here. I can't keep having to crawl underneath it. Yeah, it's really roaring right over top